Hey, how's going on, my friends? So we got crazy news, if you're wondering why Bitcoin's going up crazy, what is going on, like and all this stuff, there's always that explanation why and why and why. So there's a lot of answers over here. Why Bitcoin is all-time high? It's like $68,000, over $68,000. Ethereum is all-time high. It's crazy, right? It's such a good time to be into crypto right now because you make a lot of money. If you hold good projects, I think you're proud of that. We got all new highs pretty much in most of the coins, and it's just nice to be into crypto. But let's see why and what's going on all this because you wake up in the morning and you see like 66, $67,000. That's crazy, right? But the big news, I'll tell the big news why Bitcoin is going up so high. As we see right now, we went all the way down to all the way up to this level 68,500, okay, and probably we're gonna touch this area right here 63, 65, maybe 65, 300, maybe right here somewhere, and then we're gonna bounce back up, or I really wish it was gonna reach over here so I can buy more. If Bitcoin goes over here in this area, right, in between 64, 63, then I have buy orders which I'll buy for sure. uh, but man, it's just crazy times to be in crypto right now. Just a reminder, that we got like 2 months left of this squeeze. It could be 2 months, it could be more, but for what we know right now, it's most likely 2 months. Because we've never been to this crazy cycle before. All when all these crazy people rich people get into Bitcoin. So this cycle might be extended like through the Q1 next year. That'll be a great cycle, and I hope it's gonna be. But for now, just let's just pretend this just we got 2 more months of all this crypto bull run, okay? Because usually December, at the beginning of January, crypto starts slowing down, so we gotta take some profits or not. You are never wrong when you take profits, so I always take profits. Why? Because as you see always, when it gets close to 70, when it gets close to 50, 60, 70, 80, that's a psychological number when people always take profits, okay? You see how hard it is to get to 70,000? Because everybody has orders over there. Everybody has a sell order on $70,000, so he wants to take a little bit of profit, okay? So that's why it's kind of hard to pass 70, because all these 70s, 80s, 90s, 100, just psychological number. There's always gonna be sellers over there. So the best thing to do is just sell a small portion, okay? Sell us still like 5%, sell 2% or whatever you can, and just go in cash, and wait for a small dip like right here, and just maybe even more and buy it back, buy it back. Uh, you don't have to worry about that because there's always opportunity. There's always new opportunity to buy at lowest price. Uh, but man, let's go. Let's go ahead and see what's going on right here. I got a few crazy news. Okay, I got a few crazy news. We're gonna go over right now and see what's going on. How we've been lying for the last 10 years about Bitcoin. Let me know if you don't like this video right here, man. That's crazy.
Do you own crypto and any Bitcoin or Ethereum? Would you play around with this?
Just look at his face.
Yeah, I think it's reasonable to own it
Look at his
as
face.
a part of a diversified portfolio. And I'm not giving anybody investment advice, by the way.
That's crazy.
When did you get interested in it?
I've been interested in it for a while, and I've been researching it and so forth, and so I think it's interesting.
All right. Have you seen the? That's crazy, right? Let me write one more time. Just watch on it and what's going on. This is crazy news, okay? Apple CEO Tim Cook owns Bitcoin and crypto. I'm not. I'm not even thinking too much that one day you'll see something big news when Apple will buy Bitcoin or crypto. And let's watch it again and just listen.
Do you own crypto and any Bitcoin or Ethereum? Would you play around with this?
I do, yeah. I think it's reasonable to own it as a part of a diversified portfolio. And I'm not giving anybody investment advice, by the way.
When did you get interested in it?
I've been interested in it for a while, and I've been researching it and so forth, and so I think it's interesting.
Did you get any Bitcoin? He is crazy, and he says that yes, I've been interested in it for a while now. Okay.
So he's been holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, or crypto for a long time ago. It just wasn't public. Okay. Right now, all those news comes out and then just the crypto pops out because, man, if Tim Cook owns Bitcoin crypto, then that's it. We're gonna see a big move from Apple side into crypto. I'm pretty sure it's just a matter of time. One is gonna be, you know. So that's nothing. That's nothing really surprising because I knew they have to. They have to, and that's crazy. Okay, that's great news. And yeah, if you're wondering why Bitcoin is going up, that's why. Okay, and if you don't have any Bitcoin, then that's a problem. That's a problem because I don't know. There was a lot of fake news and stuff like that. Always not to buy crypto because crypto's a scam. And now when you can see that all those billionaires owns Bitcoin when they totally don't buy crypto because it's a scam. So you have to be a little bit open-minded. You have to be a little bit smart. Okay, and you have to know. I really love to recommend this book to everybody to read. This is a book you have to read. Okay, you have to read it and take some notes. You take a Sharpie and you read this book. This book is it's powerful. You'll get so smart when you read this book. It's not even too much about Bitcoin. It's 60% about fiat money, gold, and silver, and just a few pages about Bitcoin. This book it gives me a lot of value, and it's really highly recommended. You have to know what's going on in this book, guys. You have no idea what you're missing if you didn't read this book. Uh, it will open your minds. It will open your eyes. It will open your freaking like. You'll be crazy how this system works. I really highly encourage you to buy this book. I don't make any money if you buy this book or not. That's not my book. It's a high value book. It's a very high value. If you're really interested into crypto, if you're really interested in how money works, how gold and silver, this is the book you wanna buy. Okay, it's a very 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 good book. So let's go ahead other news because we still got some other news pretty good, or maybe you may not like it, but which also affect the Bitcoin price. Uh, right here, guys. Okay, House passes one more $1 trillion for the infrastructure package. That's a lot of money. $1 trillion. They're just printing $1 trillion from nothing, from nothing. And I remember when I got my paycheck, like my stimulus paycheck, which every U.S. citizen or resident got a paycheck, and I was asking myself how much I will pay back in taxes. Anytime I got a paycheck, I was like, this is crazy. Okay, I don't need this paycheck. I don't want this paycheck because I know I'm gonna pay back 5 or 10x. And not too many people was thinking about this. Not too many people was upset when they get the paycheck. Most of the people was real happy because they're getting free money. But actually, this is crazy. This is crazy, and this is not even funny. How much you're gonna pay back in taxes? As you see, the CPI, the customer price index, is going high. Everything is expensive. So that's why that's what happens when free money comes. If you just try to to find out about stimulus check, okay, it just the word stimulus, it tells you that this is not even healthy. Okay, it's just a stimulation of the economy and of the country. There's nothing more. This is not an organic grow economy. This is we got less jobs, but we got more money. People doesn't work. Everybody has money. Everybody's rich. No one wants to go to work. So stimulating, okay, stimulating. It's just like a bodybuilder when inject like crazy, like all this stuff, right? And he's getting bigger and bigger and bigger, like not even working out too much. So what happened after you stop injecting all those steroids? The bodybuilder gets smaller. That's exactly what happened, and it will happen to this economy. Okay, they have to print more to keep up. In order to keep this stimulating economy, you gotta keep printing more. That's why once they start giving away money, they will still keep doing. So I'm not wondering if they will do it even more because we are on stimulus right now. Okay, this country runs on stimulus. Everything is stimulating. So that's funny, okay, and it's a big no for investors. The big investor that has cash, that they don't want to be in cash anymore. They going into Bitcoin. They're going to gold. They're going to silver. We've seen gold jump like 2%, and this is crazy. Okay, for gold to jump 2%, this is an enormous amount of money because gold has one of the biggest market cap in the world, and in order to move 2%, you need a big chunk of money. You can't move the gold cap the gold market cap with $1 billion 2%. No, in order to move it for 2%, you gotta put a lot of $1 billion into gold. So this news was a acceleration for investors that was sitting in cash waiting for some opportunities. Maybe they decided to go into Bitcoin and gold and silver because yeah, we see metals has a pretty nice upside right now. So that's what happened, guys. I'm not saying this is not right to make this money for infrastructure. I'm not saying this is wrong. It's just I see from the point of as an investor, uh, it's scary to be in cash. That's it. You're losing money every year, like 5-6% a year right now. If you have like $100 on your bank account, you lose like $6 every year. And when you have billions of dollars, that's this crazy big amount. So I let you make more research over here, Ryan. I read all the story because it's interesting what they want to do with the money. Yeah, it's cool, it's nice, but man, it's maybe I don't know, maybe not right now, maybe a little bit later. Uh, that's good. That was one of the big catalysts for the crypto to move up too. Um, let's see what else over here. We got BlockFi. It just they want Bitcoin ETF. If Bitcoin ETF will happen, guys, like a spot, like a real ETF, that's gonna be big news, okay? And whoever's gonna be approved first, because there's like 30 or 40 application for spot Bitcoin ETF on SEC, okay? And this news, everybody's trying to, okay? Everybody's trying to, but no one got approved yet. But most likely we're gonna have one. I really hope we're gonna have one next year. That would be great to have one more next year. So this news, so news like this can extend our bull run for longer time if you come like next year somewhere in the quarter in the Q1. So there's a few reasons why Bitcoin can still be on a long bull run, just because any good news can pop out and we still can be going up for longer. Um, that's good. That's a good story right here. If you want to really see what's a Bitcoin ETF, if you don't know what's Bitcoin ETF, let me explain it really quick. It's just this is when it's gonna be open to everyone. Okay, there's enough people that they don't know how to buy Bitcoin. There's enough people that don't want to deal with Bitcoin. So they're just gonna hire this company and they will buy it for you. They'll hold it for you. They will trade it if you want it and stuff like that. So they will open more opportunities for everybody. Okay, you can invest from your 401k. You can, I mean, that's really big, open doors for everyone. What's going on? What else are here? Jeffries. Okay, that's one of the it's a big company. It's a big company. It's 450 billion asset manager selling a portion of its gold allocation to buy Bitcoin. Isn't that crazy, guys? Isn't that crazy when they're buying all this Bitcoin? Uh, it's very very good time to be in Bitcoin right now, and I'm really happy. I'm in this train, okay? You know, because you see, Bitcoin, we got circulation Bitcoin 18 million 868, okay, from 21 millions. So we are getting close to a squeeze right here, okay? We're running out of time and out of Bitcoin. So that's a rush. Who wants to buy more Bitcoin right now? So because we got maximum supply, 21 millions, okay? That's it. That's maximum supply can be. We got circulation supply, which is mean that Bitcoin that are already sold, that are already in circulation, are 18, almost 19 million Bitcoins. Uh, Pretty much that's it, guys. You have to be a little bit ahead of everybody in order to make some money, because that's all I do, man. I make money. And when all this news, crazy news comes out, like Tim Cook buying Bitcoin, wait for the next news when Jeff Bezos gonna say, "I have a lot of Bitcoin." Like, what are you talking about? Like, crazy, right? So, okay, you have a great day, and you know what? we wait for Bitcoin. We gotta wait for Bitcoin. Maybe go a little bit down because it's gonna take a break over here, like a breather. It can't go just up, which is much healthy when it's gonna touch the 0.38 over here and goes much higher. So yeah, you have a great day and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.